Tired of juggling multiple JPEG files? Ever needed to send a bunch of images as a single neat document? Well, you're in luck. In this super quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to combine multiple JPEGs into one PDF, right on your Mac, without needing any extra software. Okay, here we are on my Mac desktop, and I've got this example JPEG files that I want to combine. So step 1 would be to select all the JPEG files you want, and then right click on any of the selected files or control click. The menu that pops up, move your cursor down to quick actions, and then in the sub-menu, select create PDF. Just like that, macOS will create a new PDF file containing all your selected files. It usually places it right there in the same folder, often named after the first JPEG file or simply new PDF. In this case, it shows up as this and we can give it a new name. Let's just call it A. That is our PDF. Quick tip, the order the images appear in the PDF is usually based on how they are sorted in Finder when you selected them. So let me show it again. If I select this first, and then this second, this third, and this as fourth selection, and if I create a new PDF based on that, it would show it in that order. So you'd have to take this into consideration when you are going to create a PDF. See, this is the first one, the second, and the third, and the fourth. And there you have it. A super simple way to combine multiple JPEGs into a single file on your Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And hey, why not subscribe for more quick Mac tips and tutorials? Just once is enough to hit that button. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have any other Mac questions or tutorial requests you'd like to see. What do you usually combine JPEGs for? I'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.